If you've ever asked, "Where did my money go?" a budget is your map. It's a plan that shows what's coming in, what's going out, and how to direct dollars toward what matters most. Let's walk through a 7-step process to make a budget you can actually use, plus a few tips to keep it working over time. Before you crunch numbers, choose a style that fits you. One choice is a zero-based budget where every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose. The 50/30/20 rule splits income into needs, wants, and savings/debt. The envelope system caps spending by category, and a rolling budget updates as life changes. Pick one that matches your habits, then stay consistent. Add up your take-home pay and any other sources. Overtime, bonuses, side gigs, rental income, benefits, or dividends. If your paycheck fluctuates, average a few months so you're not budgeting on a month with higher income. This number is the ceiling for your spending and saving this period. List every expense. Start with fixed costs like rent or mortgage, insurance premiums, childcare, and subscriptions. Then estimate variable costs such as groceries, transportation, and dining out based on past statements. Getting this on paper or in an app makes trade-offs visible. Total your monthly expenses and compare them to income. If income minus expenses is positive, you have a surplus you can direct to savings, investments, or debt. If it's negative, identify categories to trim or consider ways to boost income. Get an annual view by multiplying monthly figures by 12 for a bigger picture check. Translate your goals into monthly amounts. That could include building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or preparing for big purchases. Prioritize, then assign specific dollar amounts so savings is treated like a bill you pay yourself each month. Consider consulting a financial professional for a tailored plan. Adjust variable categories to free up room for goals. Maybe it's fewer takeout meals, smarter grocery shopping, or lower cost entertainment. Redirect those dollars towards savings, debt reduction, or investments. Keep nudging the numbers until your plan matches your priorities. Check in monthly. Track what you actually spent, compare to the plan, and update for any changes in income or bills. Use budgeting apps or software if you like, and keep a cushion for the unexpected. Aim to build 3 to 6 months of living expenses over time. Stay realistic and flexible. Small improvements add up. Visit westernsouthern.com for more tips. There's no one right answer for everyone. Use your rates, your runway, and your cash buffer to choose. Often, a balanced plan does the most good. When you're ready for guidance, we're here to help you think it through. A chat with a financial professional could help you align your strategy with your goals and comfort level. Visit westernsouthern.com or speak with a financial professional.